prediction for this fight, Vinny?
Prediction for this fight, I will be leaving that night still your bantamweight 135-pound MMA champion. As far as, picking a round or anything like that, or time or how it's going to happen, I don't like to do any of that. I'm not that person that's going to sit there and be, I'm going to finish him with this, or I'm going to take him down, choke him out in this round. I always have utmost respect for my opponents, but I always know at the end of the day that I know what I'm capable of, and no matter what they throw at me, I can handle it.
Awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, Thursday, April 24th, Jackhammer Promotions 100. Vinny Pagnotta's defending his title for the Bantamweight MMA Championship against Matt DeLucia. Make sure you're there. If you can't, hop on jackhammerfights.com.